Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to add a Discord link to your TikTok profile. And all we need to do is you want to go to Discord app, of course, first. And this is the server I'm going to put the link, copy the link from. And all you want to do is just click on invite. And here's the link. You can copy the link straight, just like that. But this link will expire in a day. So what you want to do is click on the settings icon, and you want to select expire after. And instead of 1 day, you want to select it at never. Then just click on save, and then click on copy share link again, because the link has changed. Now go back to TikTok, click edit profile, and once you're here, click on bio, and right here copy the Discord link and click on save, and then go back, and as you can see, the Discord link is now in your bio, and that's how you can do it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.